Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will show you guys my secret to bright beautiful eyes with a lot of Mercier, and we have this cute little package here with everything you need to have a beautiful bright eye. And we went in and create this bright eyes look that's a beautiful everyday glowing look. And before we jump into this video, I just like to say thank you so much to my 10 subscribers. Love you guys to the moon back. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. Here we do everything beauty. We do reviews, we do makeup, we do skincare, we do hair hauls, you name it, girl. We do everything beauty here. Pretty much this is a lifestyle channel. If it is the kind of channel that you enjoy, hi, join me. So subscribe and like this video. I like to say thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for sending me this beautiful little PR packet. I am like a Laura Mercier addicted. True, I've been using them for 15 years. Don't tell no one. True. So this beautiful little kit here, the first thing we're going to be using is we have this beautiful Illuminating Eye Cream. So you guys know I'm traveling for work. This is one of the cream on my set already. So I have like a dehydration cream, and this is the Illuminating Eye Cream, which is amazing. I love this. I use every day for giving me that beautiful bright eyes. You know, don't look like you're tired or nothing. This is my trick. And also in this little kit we have here this eye smoothing eye makeup remover. Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys, this remove your eye makeup like in a spot, like so fast, and it's so gentle at the same time. 2 wipes and your makeup, your mascara is fabulous. Yes, love this stuff. And we also have here for create this beautiful natural lashes. We have here my favorite Caviar Volume mascara from Laura Mercier, which has been a staple in my makeup bags for years. If you know me and you know this channel, we use this all the time. And we also have here Caviar Stick Eye Color that we're going to be using today to create this beautiful glowy natural look. So let's do this video so this video don't get so long. Let's go. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I get quick bright eyes with Laura Mercier. I'm gonna show you my dirty little secret. Well, actually it's not dirty, it's actually clean. So here we're going to be using today for get bright eyes. It's going to be this Illuminate Eye Cream from Laura Mercier. I've been using that for a long time and I just love it. And I'm gonna link the link below for this eye cream for you guys if you guys like to check. But before, let's talk about this cute little bag. Look how gorgeous. The next thing we're going to be using, it's going to be, of course, we're going to be removing our makeup with the smoothing eye makeup power from Laura Mercier. Of course, you can get big open bright eyes without amazing mascara, and my favorite all-time go-to is the Caviar mascara. And we're going to be using one of these Caviar stick eyeshadow. That's one of my go-to products all the time. I'm just gonna clean my eyes a little bit if I have any I already removed all the makeup. You guys know no matter how much you remove, it's still a little residue. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of this and just wipe away any little makeup tricks. And this is so gentle on the eyes. It's really, yeah, I'm gonna link the link below for this eye makeup remover too. So now that our eyes is clean, I'm going to apply the Illuminating Eye Cream. I have a little spatula that I like to take my product out and I put it in the back of my hand. So I don't like to, you know, be dipping my finger all the time, but my hand's clean and I don't have my little spatula now. So this Illuminated Eye Cream from Laura Mercier, it's fantastic. So every time that I need in a little bright eyes, that's what I just help to illuminate, hydrate my under eye. Special if I had like a night that I didn't sleep good, this definitely the lifesaver. And you guys can see the instant turn the eye look brighter. And if I have anything left of my eye cream, I like to put on my lips. So in this, just give us a base for our bright eyes. And now the next thing I like to do is with a little bit of this Illuminating Primer from Mercier, which is amazing to give you a nice bright and glowy look. So just take a tiny little bit and I'm just gonna add here to give a little glow. There our eyes looking beautiful and glow. So bright eyes, you need a tiny bit of concealer, and I have this Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear concealer from Mercier, and I don't know if this helps, but my shade is in 3W. So just a little bit here. And a little bit on the top lid. Going to blend everything in place. And since I do not have my sponge or my velvet puff here at this moment in front of me, so I'm just using my glow powder brush. And this brush, I tell you guys, I use for everything, not only for my powder, highlighter, anything that I need to blend, because it's really fluffy and very, very gentle on the eye. Do you guys see how my eyes look brighter and glowy? So now for set all of these in place. You cannot get bright eyes without this amazing secret brightening powder for under eye from Mercier. And I love this powder because it's so bright and so light, and when you deal with your under eye, you don't want nothing that's gonna weigh down. And then when you start dab here with the little tip of the glow powder and just get a tiny little bit and put it here on my top, and that's all you need. And now I just tap off the excess, and I'm gonna tap the excess. So we just have a little tiny bit of powder left, and now we're going to set the eye. And that's all that you need. It's this beautiful gold shade. I'm gonna swatch for you guys. It's stunning. The one thing I love about the Caviar Stick eyeshadow, it's so gentle on the eye and just stay in place all day. Place for me. So I'm just gonna gently apply this all over my lid. So now I'm just gonna go in with this blending brush and just going to blend that the edges of the eyeshadow in place. And there we have it, beautiful black bright eye Caviar mascara. And this mascara has been my favorite for years. You guys used to see them on this channel all the time. Now let's see magic happen. Guys, you can see the mascara and the mascara, how amazing it is, the volume. Alright, so let's do the same thing on the other side. Alright, and there we have it, bright eyes. And one thing that I love to do too when I'm trying to achieve that bright eyes look is using a nude or a white pencil and just line my like a waterline. And if you have like small eyes like me, they automatically just open your eyes. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this Mercier Tinted Moisturizer and some of this amazing matte radiant baked powder from Mercier, and I'll be right back with you guys. So I went in and finished my makeup. I just add a little bit of blush, a little tiny bit of bronzer, and lippies. And for these lippies, guys, I am using one of my favorite of all time, and this is the Fresh Verulo Extreme Matte Lipstick from Mercier. So yeah, I love this beautiful look, and I like to say thank you for my return subscribers who come back and support me. and I see you guys next video. Love you, bye.